Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to wear and tear on the blade assembly. This noise can indicate that the blades are no longer spinning smoothly, which can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this issue could result in a complete failure of the device, leaving you without your trusted kitchen helper. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Carefully remove the mixing bowl from the base. Next, look for the small release button located at the bottom of the mixing bowl. Press this button while gently twisting the blade assembly to release it. If the blades seem stuck, a little twist while pulling should help loosen them. Once you've removed the old blade assembly, inspect the housing for any debris or residue. Use the isopropyl alcohol and a cloth to clean the area thoroughly. Now, take your new blade assembly and align it with the central shaft in the mixing bowl. Press down firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the new component or the mixing bowl itself. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the blades, reattach the mixing bowl to the base. Make sure it is seated properly, and then plug the device back in. Run a quick test to ensure the blades are spinning smoothly without any grinding noise. If everything sounds good, you're all set. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, make sure to clean your Thermomix regularly, especially after using it for tough ingredients. Avoid overloading the machine, as this can put extra strain on the blades. Regular maintenance will help keep your Thermomix TM31 in top condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.